25 multiple choice questions, MCQs, related to electrical measuring instruments. 1. Which of the following instruments is used to measure electric current? A. Voltmeter. B. Ammeter. C. Wattmeter. D. Ohmmeter. Answer. B. Ammeter. 2. A voltmeter is always connected in A. Series. B. Parallel. C. Series parallel. D. None of the above. Answer. B. Parallel. 3. A multimeter can measure A. Voltage. B. Current. C. Resistance. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. 4. The unit of electrical resistance is A. Ampere. B. Ohm. C. Volt. D. Watt. Answer. B. Ohm. 5. Which of the following instruments is used to measure power? A. Voltmeter. B. Ammeter. C. Wattmeter. D. Ohmmeter. Answer. C. Wattmeter. 6. The function of a megger is to measure A. Low resistance. B. High resistance. C. Medium resistance. D. None of the above. Answer. B. High resistance. 7. The instrument used to measure insulation resistance is called A. Multimeter. B. Megger. C. Wattmeter. D. Frequency meter. Answer. B. Megger. 8. A galvanometer is a device used to detect A. Voltage. B. Small electric currents. C. Power. D. Resistance. Answer. B. Small electric currents. 9. A wattmeter consists of A. Only one coil. B. Two coils. C. Three coils. D. Four coils. Answer. B. Two coils. 10. The resistance of an ideal ammeter should be A. 0. B. Infinite. C. Very high. D. None of the above. Answer. A. 0. 11. What type of instrument is used for AC and DC measurements? A. Moving iron instrument. B. Moving coil instrument. C. Electrodynamometer. D. Induction type instrument. Answer. A. Moving iron instrument. 12. Which of the following measuring instruments has the least power consumption? A. Moving iron instrument. B. Moving coil instrument. C. Induction instrument. D. Electrodynamometer. Answer. B. Moving coil instrument. 13. A digital multimeter measures A. AC/DC voltage. B. AC/DC current. C. Resistance. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. 14. The instrument used to measure frequency is called A. Frequency meter. B. Voltmeter. C. Ammeter. D. Wattmeter. Answer. A. Frequency meter. 15. A thermocouple meter is used to measure A. Temperature. B. DC current. C. AC current. D. Both AC and DC current. Answer. D. Both AC and DC current. 16. The power factor of a circuit can be measured using A. Wattmeter. B. Power factor meter. C. Voltmeter and ammeter. D. Galvanometer. Answer. B. Power factor meter. 17. What type of instrument is used for the measurement of very high voltage? A. Electrostatic voltmeter. B. Moving coil voltmeter. C. Moving iron voltmeter. D. Thermocouple voltmeter. Answer. A. Electrostatic voltmeter. 18. The primary function of an oscilloscope is to measure A. Resistance. B. Frequency. C. Waveforms and signals. D. Current. Answer. C. Waveforms and signals. 19. A synchroscope is used to measure A. Voltage. B. Synchronization of generators. C. Frequency. D. Power. Answer. B. Synchronization of generators. 20. A tongue tester is used to measure A. High voltage. B. High resistance. C. High current. D. Low resistance. Answer. C. High current. 21. Which instrument is used to measure capacitance? A. Ohm meter. B. LCR meter. C. Wattmeter. D. Megger. Answer. B. LCR meter. 22. Which instrument is used to measure the power of a three-phase circuit? A. 2 wattmeter method. B. 1 wattmeter method. C. 3 wattmeter method. D. Any of the above. Answer. A. 2 wattmeter method. 23. Which of the following instruments measures electrical energy? A. Wattmeter. B. Energy meter. C. Voltmeter. D. Ammeter. Answer. B. Energy meter. 24. What is the purpose of a shunt resistor in an ammeter? A. To increase voltage. B. To decrease current. C. To bypass excess current. D. To store energy. Answer. C. To bypass excess current. 25. A potentiometer is used to measure A. Low voltage. B. High voltage. C. Medium voltage. D. Any voltage. Answer. A. Low voltage.